Hey folks, Hamish here from Unified UI. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of a few of the features that Unified UI offers. So some of the issues I've seen with existing UI kits is that when you have a colored section of your page and you want to drag UI elements onto that section, they don't really display that well, and in some cases they completely disappear. Other times, kits offer components that maybe weren't quite up to scratch in the accessibility space. Also, teams often struggle to maintain both a digital product and a marketing website in the same design system. This often leads to fragmentation in teams, communication issues, silos, and costs the organization money and time. So these are some of the problems that Unified UI aims to solve. For example, if I drag this element onto this colored background, the foreground colors automatically update to ensure that they're fully accessible and they look just great on that blue background. I can then change the color of that blue background to something else, like a subtle neutral gray, and all the foreground elements and colors update. If I change it back to brand, I can then also select a primary or secondary color. So if I have a brand with multiple brand colors, I can utilize Unified UI to solve those problems. Unified UI also caters for multiple brands. So I can select this whole frame and change it to brand 2, and everything will update, including my fonts, corner radiuses, obviously the colors, line widths, iconography, border widths, everything updates. Also, the flexible scaling options inside of Unified UI enables me to use the same system for both marketing and product websites. So I can change the space between each element from my Figma variables and modes.